Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change your Google Drive language in 2025. Whether you want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with or just explore a new one, this guide will take you step by step, so stay tuned till the end. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Language section. Here, you'll see your current Google Drive language displayed. To change it, click Change Language Settings. This will take you to your Google account language preferences. Now, you can either search for your preferred language in the search bar or scroll through the list to find it. Once you select the language, click Select and then Confirm by clicking Save. Here's a tip. If you want all your Google services to reflect this new language, make sure to change it in your Google account settings, not just in Drive. This ensures Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and all other Google apps match your language preference. After saving, refresh your Google Drive, and you'll see the interface immediately update to the new language. Everything from menus to buttons will now appear in your chosen language. It's that simple. If you ever want to switch back or try a different language, just follow the same steps. The process is quick, straightforward, and fully reversible. And that's it. Changing your Google Drive language is quick, easy, and helps you work more comfortably in your preferred language. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.